going to make now a very easy and fast recipe. I have here some chicken. I fried them. I will put a pinch of salt. You can also add the seasoning you want, any kind of seasoning pepper. By the way, for those who are vegetarian, you can skip this step. I have added now like 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and of course I don't forget the black pepper. It gives a very special taste. I will leave it until it's ready and then we continue. As you see now, the chicken has a beautiful color. You see this beautiful color? It's time now to add the pasta, the boiled pasta, any kind of boiled pasta you have. They were left from last night and I wanted to make something with them. So this is a very tasty dish. Smelling is so tasty because of the seasoning. The seasoning you put is at your choice. Whatever you have at home you can add. It's going to be a very tasty recipe, and this is very fast. If you have work, if you're in a hurry, you can just do this to have a very healthy and quick recipe. As you see, I'm going to fry them all together. I mix them all together. I add a pinch of black pepper again, and of course a pinch of salt, not too much, because I have already added before. The kids will love it. It's a bit like chicken Alfredo, but in my way. You can also do it with any kind of pasta that is left. This was, as I told you before, it was left from last night. I had extra because we did the tuna pasta salad, and this was extra pasta. You can do something with them. To make it a bit rich and creamy and rich, I'm going to pour some fresh cooking cream. It will give it a very yummy taste and thick sauce. This is a small one. I mix it all together. Now I can taste this, if it needs more salt, I can taste it now. Yum! This is the perfect one. The taste is amazing. Believe me, it is amazing. It's time now to spread some cheese on top, and I'll put it in the oven a little bit for 5 minutes, and then it will be done. So you can spread some cheese on top. To have a very rich and smoothie, creamy taste. My recipe is now done. I will leave it in the oven for 5 minutes, as I told you, just to give it a nice color, and then it will be ready. See you. Yummy, yummy. You see how it's still boiling? I gave it a very slight color, The color, I don't want to burn it. I just wanted the cheese to melt. Now it's time to taste it, of course. Let me try to taste. I will not put in a plate. You see? This cheesy and creamy. This is a very super easy recipe. You will love to do it. Believe me, you will love to do it, and your kids will love it too. Let me taste it. It's still boiling. Wow. See how cheesy? Yum. Okay, now whoever will try to will decide to try my recipe, of course you will like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Of course, always Sorsha's Kitchen. Thank you for being with me.